Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can play the Forge on Roblox. It's like a new game that's been trending really. Basically, it's kind of just like a mining game here. I'm just mining some rocks and pebbles to get some ores. You can see it in your backpack. Okay, this is new. So if you go to your backpack here and go to stash, you'll be able to find like what you have in your inventory. In your index, you can go to ores here and like check out which one you have opened. So right now I'm in the Iron Valley and I haven't opened like what 6 more of these ores. So just keep mining. And also they tell you to kill zombies as well. I've only killed 2 out of 3. You kill zombies using your what's it called? Your weapon. It's easier if you try to kill level 1 zombies, so just kind of look around. So like those ones are easier to kill than the ones that have like a helmet on. So let me see if I can get there without dying to here. Like you are able to kill level 1 and level 2 zombies pretty easily. So do those first before trying to kill like a level 10 zombie, as you can see. So let me just do that, and then in the next video I'll show you how you can forge your weapons as well as your armor. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.